Hello, friends! Who would have thought this animal is not only good at climbing mountains, but can also make you shake your head? Meet the mountain goat, the king of the cliffs. Have you ever heard of mountain goats? As the name suggests, these animals live in mountainous areas. In fact, they're also very adept at climbing steep mountains, including rocky terrain. The first interesting fact about mountain goats is their extremely thick fur. Their thick fur helps them survive the cold weather in the mountains where they live. In fact, mountain goats have 2 layers of fur. The first layer is very soft and helps keep them warm, while the second layer is longer and wider to ward off wind, rain, and snow. Another interesting fact, mountain goats' horns are known for their strong, unique shape, which can help us determine their age. Mountain goats' horns are typically designed for fighting with other mountain goats to compete for territory. To determine the age of an animal, we can look at the rings on its horns. Once the goat is over 2 years old, the rings on the horns become visible. One ring indicates the mountain goat is 3 years old and continues to grow. The average lifespan of a mountain goat is 9 to 12 years. The third interesting fact is that mountain goats are social animals, living in groups with varying numbers of males and females. After the breeding season is over, males will form small groups of 2 to 3 goats. Meanwhile, female goats will form large groups of up to 50 animals to guard each other. One of the most unique things about mountain goats is their climbing ability. These animals can scale extremely steep and difficult mountain cliffs. Their strong legs and excellent grip allow them to climb places that are difficult for other animals to reach. Due to their inaccessible habitat, mountain goats are mammals with few predators. Few predators can survive in the steep, rocky, and frigid environment of the mountains. Their primary predator is the mountain lion, which can maneuver nimbly through rugged terrain. Living in the mountains provides them with a way to escape from dangerous predators. Mountain goats are resilient animals capable of surviving in extreme environments. They often inhabit cold, steep mountain regions where few other animals can survive. Therefore, mountain goats are a species that are skilled at adapting to extreme environments. Did you know female mountain goats tend to be aggressive when protecting their territory and food? During mating season, males will fight with females. These animals can even be hostile towards humans. Their sharp horns can be used as weapons in self-defense. If you're wondering how they're so adept at navigating rugged, rocky terrain, the key lies beneath their feet. Mountain goats' hooves are specially designed with elastic, rubber-like pads that act like suction cups when pressed by weight, according to the Science Trek website. Their toes spread out when they step, allowing them to firmly grip the rugged terrain. Their short, strong legs and stocky bodies are also key to their agility and balance. They can leap from cliff to cliff, hang from the edge, and pull themselves up using just their 2 front legs. This feat will leave adrenaline junkies, especially rock climbers, in stitches. Mountain goats also have cloven hooves. This makes it easier for them to climb and adapt to steep slopes. Specifically, mountain goat hooves have 2 toes that can move independently. However, not all mountain goats are capable of climbing near vertical slopes. So why do mountain goats climb mountains? Mountain goats climb mountains for 2 main reasons: to find food and to avoid predators. Mountain goats are herbivores. Their diet consists primarily of grasses, reeds, bark, twigs, and moss. Furthermore, because few animals can reach the heights of their habitat, competition in the mountains is thin. Mountain goats are also very adept at escaping predators. Their primary predators include wolves, coyotes, and cougars. These 4-legged animals aren't particularly good at running, but they can efficiently scale rocky landscapes and navigate dangerous ledges. Another unique characteristic of mountain goats is their keen sense of smell. They can detect predators from a distance and flee quickly. The final interesting fact is that mountain goats eat a variety of plants, including grass, leaves, and twigs, They can also eat moss and fungi. So the next time you see a goat climbing a cliff, remember, it's not magic. It's not magic. It's a remarkable natural adaptation. So those are some unique things about mountain goats, from their horn shape, climbing abilities, to their clever adaptations.